Children, in this chapter, we want to study about the total surface area and volume of some solids. For that, we want to know about which are the solids: cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, cone. These are the main types of solids that we can see around us. In this chapter, we want to study about cube, cuboid, cylinder, and sphere. And before that, we want to know about the area and perimeter of square, rectangle, then trapezium, parallelogram, and rhombus, and also quadrilateral. So here square, all sides are equal, and we studied the area of a square as side into side. And rectangle, what is the area of a rectangle? It is length into breadth. Then here trapezium, how can we find out the area of a trapezium? So here it is trapezium. Then these two sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel. Let it be A and B, and the distance between these two will be equal since A and B are parallel sides. Then how can we find out the area? That is half h into A plus B. So what is h? H is the distance between the parallel sides. A and B are parallel lines. Then parallelogram. So like the area of a rectangle, here we can draw a parallelogram, and we know that the distance between the two parallel lines will be equal. Let it be height, and the base is marked in the figure. And how can we find out the area? It is B into H. So B into H be the area of a parallelogram, and half into H into A plus B the area of a trapezium, and a rhombus. What is a rhombus? It is a parallelogram with the all sides are equal. So here let diagonals are D1 and D2. D1 and D2 are the two diagonals. Then area of a rhombus is half D1 D2. Half D1 D2 be the area of a rhombus. Then quadrilateral. Let us find out how can we find out the area of a quadrilateral. Let it be the quadrilateral. Let it be the quadrilateral. Then I can draw the diagonals. Only one diagonal I can mark here, since for explaining the area of a quadrilateral I marked only one diagonal. Here we can see two triangles, one triangle and second triangle. Here what is the area of this one? That is first one, and this is second one. What is the area of this triangle? So this is considered as base, and this considered as height. Then what is the area of this triangle? That is half h into B, or half h into D, since B is considered as diagonal of the quadrilateral. Diagonal of the quadrilateral. And the second triangle, what is the area? Half h into D, since same diagonal, but we want to mark it as h1 and h2. Let it be h1 be the perpendicular from one vertex to the diagonal, and h2 be the one perpendicular from one of the vertex to the diagonal. So let it be H1 and H2. The total measure of these two will be the area of the quadrilateral. That is half H1D plus half H2D. Then what is the area? That is half D into H1 plus H2. What is D? D is the length of the diagonal. So these are the main concept in this chapter, mensuration. Then the next video we can discuss some exercise questions.